In this video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically refresh data in Excel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the queries and connection options to automatically refresh data. So first, make sure that you have access to the Queries and Connections window. You can find this by switching over to the Data tab at the top, and in Data, click this icon here. This will open the Queries and Connection window just like this. In here, you can browse through queries, connections, and you will see the amount displayed and all of them in order. Now, in order to use these to automatically refresh the data, all that you have to do is choose one of them that you would like to modify and then right-click that particular one. So right-click a specific query. Once you right-click, go over to the property, so all the way down at the bottom. So for example, you right-click this sheet under queries, and then finally you will find properties. Inside of the properties, you will find refresh control under the usage tab, and this is going to be the primary and most convenient way to refresh the data. So you will see all of these options: enable background refresh, refresh every certain amount of minutes, refresh data when opening file, remove data from the external data range before saving the workbook, refresh this connection on refresh all, and enable fast data load. Now you are free to enable or disable these accordingly. You can take them on or off and then click OK to save these changes. Remember to modify the amount of time here in minutes so you can set it up so it refreshes every 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on minutes, whatever you need according to your preferences, and all of this will be saved into this document, this sheet, and this query. So make sure that you select the cell, and under refresh control, you will have full access to how it properly and automatically refreshes. I hope I was able to help you on how to automatically refresh Excel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.